Welcome back to part 2 of our Seoul walking tour. Having seen the famous landmarks, we now dive into the city's hidden soul. Our first stop is Hongdae, the epicenter of Seoul's youth culture and artistic expression. Here, the streets are alive with the sounds of buskers and the energy of a generation that never stops creating. Every alleyway is a canvas, reflecting the vibrant and rebellious spirit of this unique neighborhood. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. We move from the modern buzz to the serene Changdeokgung Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Behind the palace lies the Hwon, a secret garden designed to harmonize perfectly with the natural landscape. It was a place of rest for kings, where nature was left untouched and the architecture whispered to the trees. In the heart of the city, Jogisa Temple offers a moment of zen with its vibrant sea of lanterns. The scent of incense and the rhythmic chanting provide a peaceful contrast to the urban rush outside. Now we head to Seongsu-dong, the Brooklyn of Seoul, where industrial history meets modern lifestyle. Old warehouses have been transformed into art galleries and some of the world's most unique coffee shops. Nearby, Seoul Forest provides a massive green lung for the city, perfect for a slow afternoon walk. It's a place where you can find unexpected nature and quiet moments in the middle of a global hub. One of the city's most Instagrammed spots is the Starfield Library, a futuristic temple to knowledge. Located inside a massive mall, it proves that public spaces can be both functional and awe-inspiring. At Olympic Park, the World Peace Gate stands as a reminder of the 1988 Summer Games and Seoul's global spirit. The famous Alone Tree is a symbol of resilience and beauty, a favorite spot for photographers. High on a hill, Ihwa Village showcases how art can revitalize and bring color to old neighborhoods. The climb is rewarded with stunning views and a sense of the city's layers of history. As night returns, we prepare to conclude the second part of our journey. But our tour isn't over yet. Seoul still has many secrets left to reveal. Join us for part 3, the final chapter of our Seoul exploration. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.